High-quality content is vital for businesses. It attracts attention, builds trust, and helps engage audiences effectively in competitive markets. Imagine a helper that creates, edits, and shares content for you. That's content automation, your productivity superhero that helps you save time and boosts quality. Automated tools analyze trends and data to create content your audience will love, keeping it relevant and engaging. Want to wow different audiences? Personalization becomes easier with automation. Automation customizes your content, like headlines, images, and more, making everyone feel like it's made just for them. Automation ensures consistency. You can schedule posts to appear at the best times, keeping your audience informed and engaged without missing a beat. Want to top search results? SEO tools within automation systems pick perfect keywords, boost readability, and make your content easier to find online and impossible to ignore. Videos make everything better. Tools like simpleshow turn tricky topics into clear, engaging videos that hold attention and simplify information for everyone. Curious how your content's doing? Automated tools track content performance. They show what works best so you can adjust and keep improving your content. Let's not forget design tools, which make it easy to create stunning visuals like infographics or charts, which enhance clarity and engagement. So, let automation handle the grunt work. This will give you valuable time to plan creative strategies that inspire, so that your audience will keep coming back.